Oh, hi. My name is Lon Kiefer, also known as Doc, the Defender of Caregivers, and this is your Caregivers Video of the Week. I'm just walking around feeling good about myself and my accomplishments. Last night it was my honor to be the keynote speaker at the annual Hope Dinner for Women Supporting Women Network. I know, Women Supporting Women had me as their keynote speaker. You know the old saying, if you want something done right, get a man to do it. I'm just kidding. By the way, I am in touch with my inner woman, my inner caregiver. On the way to the event last night, I stopped and asked for directions. My inner caregiver won the battle with my inner man. Caregivers will change their personality to please others, yet won't take credit for it. You give them the old, I'm just doing my job act. Do you realize that when you deflect the praise of others, you deny them their caregiver moment? Why do we feel embarrassed if we take praise or credit for the amazing things we do? Does it look like this? Walking around the morning after carrying roses and drinking coffee from a Fight Like a Girl glass? No. Your caregiver's showing. Get over yourself. Take praise. You've earned it. Or, do you want us to get a man to do it? Please learn and repeat after me. I'm proud of who and what I am. I'm a caregiver. I live in awareness that I take satisfaction in pleasing others and sometimes overcommit. I accept that some things I cannot change and that I am not perfect. I will allow others to help and join me on my caregiver's journey. I will honor myself as I care for others. This is my solemn caregiver's vow. Thank you for caring.